Friends, this is another Vastu balancing of a fit zone holistic fitness studio. So I'm going to walk through you how we have balanced the energies. You can see we have installed some aroma oils as per the elements, and also this one we call it as a directional plates. Hope it is visible to you. See, this is northwest. This remedy is called the golden ratio Vastu plates, which are manufactured by Occultking. So with the help of this, we have used to balance the energies and to enhance the energies. You can see northeast direction here. Northeast direction, it is clearly visible, and increasing the water element with the help of aroma oils. Likewise, we have balanced the entire energies of this fitness studio. You can see and these are my invention. This is called Tree of Life, which will be used as part of our Vastu. And let me show you a few more samples. Here you can see the west direction plate. This is a brass plate which is made up of golden ratio calculation, and you can see this is fire, and this is the southeast plate. You can see on the top. This is how we balance this entire fit zone with the help of aroma oils as well as golden ratio remedies. See that. So if anyone is interested to learn these techniques and remedies, please do join our upcoming courses in Hyderabad. 5 days residential course, Vastu Yatra, starting from May 1st to May 5th. It is going to be 5-day residential course wherein you are going to learn all remedies about this golden ratios as well as the aroma oils, how to blend the aroma oils, directional oils, and also the element oils, and you can also learn about this plates, how to prepare that. And this is the way we work upon making the 16 zones and entrances bifurcations. And these are the tools what we use for our Vastu purpose. This is L rods, and this is my own product, golden 37 liquor antenna. Here we go. And these are the R1 essential oils, which we use it for balancing the earth energies, house energies, and building energies. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and follow for more updates related to the trainings, Vastu related, anything. Thank you so much.